In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coin on Pump.fun. First, head over to Pump.fun and open the Create page. This is where you'll set everything up for your new token. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click Connect. You'll need to link your wallet and approve the connection inside your wallet app before you can continue. Make sure you're using a supported wallet and that you review the request carefully before confirming. After your wallet is connected, you'll be taken through the token creation form. This is the most important part of the process, so take your time here. Start by entering the name of your token. This is the full name people will see when they discover your coin. Next, add your ticker or symbol, which is the short abbreviation for your token. This is usually something simple and memorable. Then, write a description explaining what your coin is about. Keep it clear and easy to understand, especially if you want people to quickly grasp the theme or idea behind it. You'll also see fields for socials where you can add your website, your X account, and your Telegram link. These are especially important because they help build trust with your community. Also, keep in mind that once your coin is created, this information cannot be changed. So double check every link before moving on. Next, upload your media. You can usually add an image, a GIF, or a video. Since this is often the first thing people notice, it's worth choosing something high quality and attention grabbing. On Pump.fun, meme style visuals tend to perform best, so make sure your media matches the personality of your coin. Once everything is filled out, review all of your information one more time. This is important because your metadata is locked permanently after deployment. If something is misspelled or a link is wrong, you may not be able to fix it later. After that, choose how much SOL you want to spend to pre-buy your own token. Then click Create or Pump Launch and Buy. Depending on the option you see, your wallet will open again, and you'll need to confirm the transaction. Once that goes through, your coin is officially live and tradable. Finally, it helps to understand what happens next. Pump.fun uses a bonding curve, which means the token starts at a low price and increases as more people buy it. If your coin gains enough traction and reaches the required market cap range, it can graduate. When that happens, the liquidity is automatically moved to Radium, a decentralized exchange, giving your token a bigger stage for trading.